me, Emily, again, and I'm going to show you my new Monster High dolls and accessories. So over here we have Cleo Nile, out of school. This is her purse, and this is her mummy-wrapped file folder. This is Draculaura Dead Tired, and she came with a movie called Scary Human Movies. And this is Cupid. She's a new Monster High girl. She came with a purse. You can get her from Valentine's Day to the end of February. And this is Frankie Sweet 1600. She came with an invitation to Draculaura's birthday. And this bag. The reason I got a new Frankie is because my other Frankie doll's legs broke. And then I have a Frankie bed, and if you look in the cabinet, there's a pen, scissors, a diary, a knitting needle, a juice box, and a stapler. And then it came with a pillow and a blanket. And it also came with a comb with Frankie's pattern on it. Then I got this fortune skull. I'm going to ask it a question. Are we in a dream? It says maybe. Ooh, so we might be in a dream. And then I got Monster High Pets, What's It, and Count Fabulous, but I lost What's It, but this is Count Fabulous. It's Draculaura's pet. And then I got Georgina. She is a custom. Then I got Georgina. She is a custom-made doll. She's the daughter of a dragon. And you can name her on your own. Then I got this Monster High book off of chapters. And it's called Monster High. Bye-bye, everyone. This is Emily, and these are my new Monster High dolls and accessories.